y'all, it's Chad with Madness Auto Works, and today we have our brand new Fiat 500e. This thing is great, and we're going to demo a product for this guy. Basically, this showed up. It's Madness Auto Works. We love making cars faster, but we did this. And we opened up this hood, and what do we have? Let's see what we can do to this car to make it quicker. Got it too, right here. And we saw this. And I said, well, I'm not messing with that. So I shut this down. Basically, with these cars, we're not trying to permanently modify them in any way with this unit. The one thing we noticed in this, it's quick off the line, it's very fun to drive, but the throttle response was lacking. And since we already have throttle response controllers called the GOPedal for basically everything in this showroom, we now have one for the Fiat 500e. So basically, we're just going to do a step-by-step install on this guy and show you how it's done so you can get better throttle response out of this guy, improved driving dynamic, more enjoyable drive out of it. And also, I'll show you a mode on this where you can extend the range on this 500. So basically, just unboxing this unit comes with a quick start guide. There's a for the Google Play Store, the Apple Store, you can download the app for your phone, or it has a Bluetooth controller where you can choose each drive mode. I'm just going to do a quick install on this. This is literally a plug-and-play 3-minute install. Underneath this throttle pedal, we're at the very top of that, if you can see the throw up there, you're going to have a plug that looks like this guy. So basically what we do is we just unplug this burgundy piece, it pops right off. This replaces it, that burgundy piece slides onto here and clips again, and then we plug this into the actual unit itself, and we are ready to rock and roll. So once we have everything plugged in underneath the dash there, what we do is we put the car in the on position, do not start it yet, hold the gas pedal down for a full 2 seconds, and then as soon as you do that, the unit will pair up, and we can go ahead and fire this thing up. And once we have it on, we just test it out by going out for a quick rip. I'll see you guys in a bit.